Hi guys, this is Andrew Burgess with NetTuts, and in today's quick tip I'm going to show you how to use HTML5's application cache to make your websites available when the user is offline. So you can see here I've got a really simple little website here, and if I load these files up in my text editor, you can see here that we've just got a basic HTML outline. We've got a heading 1, we've got a div with an image in it, we're linking to this script. This script simply inserts the subtitle there, and then the styling is obviously doing all the rest, and obviously it all works. And notice I'm using MAMP here, so you can see I'm browsing to this through my local host. If I stop the servers, and then once they're stopped, reload the page, whoops, let me try to go back there, 888/caching. Obviously, I can't get it because these servers are down. So, or in the user's case, I may be offline. So let me turn the servers back on here and see what we can do. If we come here to the HTML, and right on the HTML tag, I'm going to add a attribute called manifest, and I'm going to link to a file called site.manifest. You can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call mine site.manifest, so let's open that file up right now. Basically, all we have to do, the most minimalistic application cache we can do is, we'll say cache manifest. I'm just going to add a comment here. Comments begin with a hash mark, and we'll just say version 0.1, and then just list the files. So we got index.html, style.css, script.js, we have preview.jpg, and then I'll just save that as site.manifest, and you can see it shows up here in our folder, site.manifest right there. One more thing we're going to need is an htaccess file, because site.manifest files need to be delivered as text/cache-manifest, and I'll just tell it to do that for all the files with the extension of manifest. So that's for htaccess. There we go. Now we've saved that. Okay, servers are running again, so let me come back here, refresh this page, and if I open up the console here, you'll notice we have some logs here creating application cache with the manifest file, and it downloaded those 4 files. So now, if we take the servers offline and refresh the page, everything works, and you can see document was loaded from application cache with manifest. Alright, let's bring these servers back online and point out one little caveat here. The servers are online, but if I refresh the page, it's still getting it from the application cache. So if I change this, make a change here, say I change the word sample to example, save that, refresh the page, it's still being taken from the application cache. This is why we added the comment in the cache manifest, because what happens is the browser will download the cache manifest file from the server, if the server is available, compare it with the manifest file it has, and if there have any changes been made, then it will upload, then it will go to collect the new files from the server. So what I'll just do here is change this from version 0.1 to 0.2, and now if I save that, let me just move this over here, and refresh the page, you can see it re-downloaded them all, but unfortunately it showed us the files from the cache first, and notice this happens in both Chrome and Firefox. But now if I refresh the page, now we will see the updated files. But for some reason it's loading the cache files before it actually pulls in those updates. So that's something you might want to be aware of. And now if I stop the servers, again, everything's working because the document was loaded from the application cache. So that's just the basics of what you can do with an application cache. There are a few other things you can do around domains or using other files to fill in for these ones, like providing an alternate file to download and that kind of thing. But I hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks.